In a surprising turn of events, the case surrounding Kneecap rapper Liam Hanade, better known as Mo Chara, has been dismissed due to a significant technical error. The allegations against the 27-year-old artist from Belfast accused him of displaying a flag that supported Hezbollah, a group labeled as a terrorist organization, during a performance at the O2 Forum in Kentish Town, London, last November. During a recent session at Woolwich Crown Court, Chief Magistrate Paul Goldspring ruled in favor of Hanade's legal team, who effectively argued that the Attorney General had not authorized the prosecution before the police informed Hanade that he would be facing terrorism charges on May 21st. In his decision, Mr. Goldspring remarked, "These proceedings were initiated unlawfully and are therefore null and void." This statement emphasizes the necessity for all legal processes to follow specific protocols to ensure fairness and legality. He elaborated by explaining that the prosecution failed to secure essential consent from both the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, and the Attorney General, AG, within the statutory 6-month timeframe required for such cases. The law mandates that the necessary permissions must be granted prior to or at the moment of initiating such serious charges, which was not the case here. As a direct outcome of this oversight, the magistrate concluded that the charge lacked validity, stating, consequently, the charge is unlawful and null, and this court lacks the jurisdiction to hear it. Interestingly, the prosecutor Michael Bisgrove had previously contended that gaining permission from the DPP and AG was only necessary before the defendant's first court appearance. However, Mr. Goldspring dismissed this argument, asserting that the logic behind it was flawed. Responding to the court's decision, Northern Ireland's First Minister, Michelle O'Neill, expressed her approval. She framed the charges against Mo Chara as a deliberate attempt to suppress voices that oppose Israeli actions in Gaza, stating, "These charges were part of a calculated attempt to silence those who stand up and speak out against the Israeli genocide in Gaza." Kneecap have utilized their platform to shed light on these issues worldwide, and it is our collective duty to continue protesting against the injustices in Palestine. This case raises larger questions about the intersection of free expression and legal accountability. With public sentiments divided, what are your thoughts? Do you agree with the dismissal based on technicalities, or do you believe such acts should face severe consequences, regardless of procedural errors? We invite you to share your perspectives in the comments.